I'm going to install one of the anti-rattle springs on this caliper here. This is a B7 Audi A4. This is a 2006. And this is a common thing that can fall off and get lost on the road if it's not installed right. And I've actually had that happen on this caliper here where it's gone and I just need to put a new one on. And I figured out the correct way to put them on. The reason I lost my old springs was this front tab right here. It wasn't there on the pad. This connects right to the pad. And it was rusted away or it just wasn't there because this tab right here on the front of the spring goes into a hole right there, and that's what actually keeps it in place. And then these two prongs on either end sit on the top and bottom of the caliper. Now putting it on is a little bit tricky. You might need to fight with it a little bit. I'm going to try starting from the top to the bottom, so I'll put the top on first, sort of get this in place, and then bend it back. Push it in. I'm gonna kind of tap it here. That tab snapped in, which is exactly what we want to see. And then these will pretty much locate themselves. I'll just make sure they're in. And you can see that tab that's on the anti-rattle spring is going straight through that metal sheet right there. So you know it's gonna stay. I got this part off of VCS Tuning for about $15.